What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you the Juice Wrld arrangement. So let's get started. If you are new to these videos, a term that I use is blocks, and how I define that is basically by these highlighted parts, and it's just easier for everyone to understand because you can actually see the time placement. All right, and if you have a slower BPM, like if I mention like 30 seconds or something, your timing might be different. All right, so like right here it says for me 23 seconds. Yours may be different if you have a lower BPM, as you can see. So keep that in mind. So let's get started. So for the intro, like usual, I would say just play your bass melody and just kind of build it up. You don't have to put like all your sounds in. So I would do something kind of like this. And then I have my like guitar little sound here. All right, even if you want to, you can kind of make it build up like that if you want to. So we can do that. So we can play this so you can see what it sounds like. All right, so that's the intro, pretty easy. All right, so let's do the hook. Now with the hook, it's sometimes different. Some songs the hook is about, so usually a hook would be like this, right? About this long, right? 4 blocks long, same as the intro, but sometimes it's not. So I'm gonna do that way just to switch it up a bit and give you something different to look at and to learn. So with this hook, we're gonna just do it with 2 blocks. All right, you can leave every sound on. So I'll show you what that sounds like, and then I'll do the second part of this. We just start like right here. All right, so now let's copy this over, but we're gonna take the bass and kick out. All right, so this is what it would sound like. And again, you can take out what you want. You can take out the clap, whatever you want to do, you feel like you want to take out. And then we can, let's see. Yeah, we can just do it like that. All right, so I took out that hi-hat. Again, I just felt like I wanted to take that out. So I advise you to just do whatever you feel you want to do, right? So now let's do the verse. So with the Juice Wrld beats, if you listen to them a lot, they have like the drums stop a lot and the 808 will stop a lot. So we're gonna kind of mimic that a little bit in the verse. And like right before the hook, usually it will like, the beat will stop and then it will come back in on the hook. All right, so for this, we can just use our bass sounds for like the melody here. So we can just copy this over real quick. And I think that should be good. The verses aren't too long on every song, so we can just keep it like this. So with the bass, let's bring the bass in. So we can cut this bass about here. All right, and then we can just copy it at the bottom if it'll let me. And then drag that over, and then take this end, probably can't see, take this end here and drag it over and pull it back up. And then what you can do is just copy this over, right? So I'm gonna just play what this sounds like. Well, actually, hold up. We can add a rim. Let's just add a rim here instead of the clap. And then let's bring that hi-hat back in. And then on this part, let's take everything out. And I think that should be good. So let's listen to it. So again, you can add what you want in here, but I would just suggest taking out a few drums so when the hook does come on, it does sound like a hook, right? So from here, it's pretty easy. I would just take this hook part, the full part, and just copy it twice. So the hook is a little longer, because he tends to kind of, somewhere throughout the song, he'll say the hook, the full hook twice, I guess you could say. So we can do that. And from here, you can really just copy this over, and then you can change. And let me just put these down. And then verse. And then I guess it's really up to you what you want to do here. I would just put another hook. And then maybe for the outro, we can just reverse this in a way. So let's bring this over. And let's just reverse it. And this could be the outro. And maybe we could play this rim and hi-hat. Kind of just fade it out. See what that sounds like. All right, so I like that. So you can put your outro how you want it, but I would do something like that. Or you could put the 808 instead of this, but I kind of like using synth basses and like other basses in my beats. All right, so that's pretty much it. What you want to do, I'll just show the whole thing if you want to like copy real quick. So let me pause that so you can copy that down. So all we really did was, you know, remember in the beginning, you know, you probably want to do some different with that. Maybe take the kick out or something. Obviously on the second verse, you can change some things up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Juice Wrld arrangement. Hopefully this video helped you out. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.